This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
Hi everyone, this is me Paloma and welcome to The Big Pick. Before we start things off, I'd like to wish everybody out there a very happy Independence Day, and it gives us great pleasure to present to you our Mudalvar Mahatma special right here on the show. So I'd like to start off by introducing our very special guest today that we have right here in the studio from the film Mudalvar Mahatma. I'd like to welcome the director of the film, Mr. Balakrishnan. Welcome to The Big Pick. And of course, we have with us Mr. Kanagaraj. I don't think he needs an introduction. It's pretty obvious which character in the movie he's playing. It's quite an honor to have the person who played Mahatma Gandhi with us in the studio. And I'm going to say, when you walked in, I had goosebumps, you know. It was an amazing feeling to have you here with us. So thank you so much. And what a great way to celebrate Independence Day. So I'm going to pose the first question to you, sir, as the director. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about the thought process and where all of this started from.
Okay. Earlier, I made a movie called Kamaraj.
So yes, you all both worked together on that as well, right?
Yeah, he played a small role in that film.
Right.
So while reading on Gandhi, I thought I should make a film on Gandhi. It came just like that because it evolved from Kamaraj. So I ended up making a film on Gandhi.
Right.
So since there was a movie in Hollywood already, so I thought, what will happen if Gandhi come back to the world again? So that way it started.
And how long has this been in the making? Is it something you've been thinking about for a while, or?
Yeah, I started reading in 2006.
Okay.
Then I started to shoot in 2008. Just I finished in releasing the film. So it's a long process.
I have a question to ask you. Were you apprehensive on making a film about Mahatma Gandhi? Because right now there's a lot of social and political debate happening in the country. The youngsters are very involved. Anna Hazare is out there. I think right now this is the right moment for a movie like this. But maybe 3 years ago, it would have been doing something bold for you. So what was your thought process at that time?
Yeah, even Anna Hazare watched this film. The Hindi version, Anna Hazare watched it in Chennai. So whoever reads about Gandhi, he bound to be caught by him. He is such a very big character. He lived 78 years, but he lived 5 times more what he was age. So he was such a character. Everybody is bound to love him. He is such a character.
இறைவனை வரம் கேட்டு மறுபடியும் வந்தேன் என் தேச நன்மைக்காக என்னை நான் தந்தேன் நான் கண்ட என் கனவை கண் முன்பு காண வந்தேன் முடியாத செயலுக்கெல்லாம் முடிவொன்று நான் காணுவேன் என் ஈசன் என்னை இங்கு மீண்டும் தோற்றினான் இறைவனை வரம் கேட்டு மறுபடியும் வந்தேன் என் தேச நன்மைக்காக என்னை நான்
I need to pose my next question to the man who played Mahatma Gandhi. So tell us, what was the experience like? This is not the first time because you also played Mahatma Gandhi in Kamaraj previously. So what was the experience like?
First of all, I would like to express my warm greetings to the viewers of NDTV Hindu.
Thank you so much.
Happy Independence to Independence Day to all of you. And as for my experience as an actor and who has played lead role in Mudalvar Mahatma, it's a great experience. Of course, I am very lucky that nature has gifted me a very excellent look, resemblance of my look that resembles Mahatma Gandhi. Because Mahatma Gandhi is the pride of India and property of the
amazing,
world.
Right?
So that way, really, I feel very honored and really overwhelmed with the opportunity God and nature has given me to take up this role. And nature has taken me to the right hands, and he has utilized my appearance and acting talent properly. And I think to the best of my ability, I cooperated, and everybody says that my performance is up to the mark.
ஐயா வாங்கய்யா. வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம்.
நம்ம கேசவன் பொண்ணு தானே, பாவம். நேற்று ஒயின் ஷாப்ல இவ ஒரே போராட்டம், களைப்புல மயங்கியே விழுந்துட்டாலாம். அதுக்கப்புறமா சோடா கொடுத்து தான் கூட்டிட்டு போயிருக்காங்க.
நீங்க குடிக்கிறதுண்டா?
இல்லைங்கய்யா, குடிச்சதே இல்லை. குடிச்சா அம்மாவுக்கும் பிடிக்காது.
ஆனா மத்தவங்க குடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஊத்தி கொடுக்குறீங்க, அவங்க ரத்தங்கைக்கு சாகிறதுக்கும் காரணமா இருக்கீங்க, அப்படித்தானே?
அரசாங்க வேலை உள்ளூர்ல கிடைச்சதேன்னு சேர்ந்துட்டேன்.
அரசாங்கத்தை விட மனசாட்சி தான்ப்பா பெருசு. கூலிக்காரன் சம்பாதிக்கிற பணத்தை எல்லாம் குடிச்சு நாசமாக்குறான், அதனால கஷ்டப்படுறான், குடும்பத்துல சண்டை போடுறான், பிள்ளைங்க படிப்பு நாசமாகுது. குடும்ப தலைவனா முன்மாதிரியா இருக்க வேண்டியவன் தெருவுல விழுந்து கிடக்காம்ப்பா. அதுக்கெல்லாம் காரணமா நீங்க இருக்கலாமா?
அதுக்கு நான் என்ன செய்ய முடியுங்கய்யா?
அரசாங்கத்தோட ஒத்துழைக்காதீங்க, அந்த பாவச்செயலுக்கு துணை போகாதீங்க, வேலைக்கு போகாதீங்க, விட்டுருங்க.
Do you have people with strange, expressions when you walk into places? Do they come up to you and say, "Neenga Mahatma Gandhi mariye irukkinga," or people saying, "Oh my God, you look just like Mahatma Gandhi." Tell us about those experiences.
We've been to Wagah border, no? There people started asking, "Ah, Bapu hai kya?"
That's just fantastic, right? So this happens to you on a regular basis. Tell us about tell us a funny story. I'm sure there are many.
Yeah, series of happenings I can quote. Lots of things, even because not only during the shooting, even when I walk on the street without just
normal
common
clothes.
attire, just people just admire me and they point out and say that Gandhi is going like that. And children, very spontaneously, children, no, because they don't hide anything.
Yeah, it's all genuine.
Whatever that comes to their mind, immediately they give it expression, no. So many times the children, no, they call their mammy, don't know, Daddy, Gandhi is going, Gandhi is going. I with my pants and dress, shirt, without even these specs. At that much, one day, a few days back, I was just walking to towards my home. At that time, one man rushed from inside his house and he came and asked me for my photo. I thought he would have read about me in papers and all.
But he just wanted your photo.
I said, I don't have photo, but I have got my visiting card. In the visiting card, I have my photo. You can have it. Then I asked him, have you read anything about me in the newspaper? No, he said. Then why did you ask my photo? No, you look like Gandhi. I wanted to have your photo in my
Oh, that's so sweet.
Then I thought, okay. Then I said, I have also acted as Gandhi in a movie. Just going, he felt very, very happy about it, and he asked the details and all.
So he'll be watching the movie on Independence Day as it releases.
So
that's the hope.
And of course, the entire unit was very happy when the shooting went on in Northern, especially in northern states. They considered me one day as Gandhi.
As Gandhi.
Om Tat Sat Shri Narayani.
Om Tat Sat Shri Narayani.
Purushottam Guruni.
Purushottam Guruni.
Brahmastani Yogya Satyani. Yesu Pita Prabhuni. रुद्र विष्णु ने राम कृष्ण ने रहीम ताओ ने ओम शांति शांति ओम शांति शांति ओम शांति शांति शांति.
So just out of curiosity, people haven't yet watched the film. It's releasing today. They're going to go to theaters and watch it. What kind of an audience did you have in mind when you made the film? Who is your ideal audience to watch this film?
The youngsters should come in. I think they will come in.
Right.
We are promoting mostly aiming them only because they are the future of India. Now they have to read more about Gandhi.
Yes.
They have to practice Gandhism.
Right.
Then only India will flourish as a Gandhian country.
Right.
Yes.
Well, so what we're going to do is, on this fantastic note, take a small break here on the show. When you come back, we're going to be chatting with the team from Mudalvar Mahatma and more from the man who played Mahatma Gandhi. I'm extremely excited at the moment. I still can't believe it. So take a quick break and come right back to the Big Pick.